In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on screen reader support in Google Sheets. If you use a screen reader or you're setting up a sheet for someone who does, this setting makes Google Sheets much easier to navigate by announcing cells, menus, and changes more clearly. Keep in mind, this feature works alongside your screen reader. You'll still need an actual screen reader running on your device for audio output. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. This gives you quick access to all your Google apps in one place, which is handy if you're already signed in. Look toward the top right corner and click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel with all your available Google services. It can be navigated with the keyboard as well, but clicking is perfectly fine here. From the Apps panel, choose Sheets. That takes you to the Google Sheets landing page, where you'll see your recent spreadsheets and templates. If you don't see the file you need right away, you can use the search bar to find it. Open your spreadsheet. Make sure you're in the actual sheet view, not just the file picker, because the menu option we need only appears once a sheet is open. Also note that having edit access to the file helps ensure all accessibility options are available. At the top of the sheet, click the Tools menu in the menu bar. This is where Google Sheets keeps various utilities and settings that aren't specific to formatting or data entry. From the Tools menu, choose Accessibility. This opens a small settings window dedicated to features that improve navigation and feedback for assistive technologies. In the Accessibility window, find the option labeled Turn on Screen Reader Support and check the box. This tells Google Sheets to provide enhanced spoken feedback and better focus handling for your screen reader. It can announce cell contents, formula results, and some context changes more reliably, which is especially helpful when you're moving through large datasets or editing formulas. Click OK to confirm. Your change is saved immediately, and the new behavior applies right away. If you move around the sheet with the arrow keys or tab, your screen reader should now announce cell locations and contents more consistently. If you don't hear anything, double-check that your screen reader is running on your device, then try focusing back into the sheet. If you ever want to turn this off, return to Tools, open Accessibility, uncheck the same box, and click OK. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned on screen reader support in Google Sheets.